Good morning, guys. We're back. We're in the shop. We're actually working on Klaus right now, which you'll see in a bunch of upcoming videos. Got probably like a few videos to edit. It's been a lot of all work, no editing, but that's how it is. In this video, you see us dropping off the car at Nexxgen Fab. I gave Mark a couple GoPros. He had them. He recorded a bunch of stuff. We got a few minutes of some time lapse, and then we go through and walk you around the car, let you know about the changes, things that we did, and then we go ahead and get on and get with the action. All right, we're back. Klaus is done right now with Mark. Nexxgen Fab. So, what'd you think this second time around? How was it?
Well, I've done easier things, to be honest with you, but here we are.
Yeah, like, I can't believe it. Just, yeah, it looks just like him. The bumper matches the old one, which sees back there. Hang that up on your wall. Be some wall art or something.
Yeah, there's definitely some challenges going from the sedan to the coupe with some fitment in the cage, but when we got it down, we got the rocker boxes fitted and she's attached. And
yeah, I can't believe how good you did with the rocker boxes and everything going down. It just looks just about factory, like how it was on the 4 doors sedan. Get all that covered up. We got the dash bar that's welded in there now, so it should be 850 certable. Should be good.
Trying to open up, give you a little more room since you're stuffing a whole lot of America inside this engine bay. So
that's true. Maybe
we cheated a little bit, got a little bit more room for you. Should go back together pretty good. The whole front end is now detachable, so you don't have to drop your subframe when you're putting your motor in.
Oh, yeah, it's gonna be so much easier. Yep, bolted up there. We'll get some nice grade A bolts or something, but just holding it up because it's probably gonna, if it ever gets in a front end accident, we'll crumble it again like it did. If anything like that happens again, get ready because you're just gonna chop off the front and then tube it.
Yeah, whoever's driving it, when they stuff it in the wall, they can come over with the Metabo. We can have some fun.
Shit. Yeah, if the frame rails, if this ever gets messed up like bad again, we're just gonna cut at the firewall and front half it, tube it, and then you make your stuff.
Still able to get your windshield in there. We kind of went around the door jamb for a simple dash bar. I don't think you'll have any fitment issues getting your dashboard back in.
That should go in perfectly. We got a little windshield mount right there, so hopefully it doesn't flex and crack my windshield.
Yeah, these Heims ends right here are similar to like a ball joint. They'll give you a little bit of flex in case you need it without cracking your windshield, in case you do give her some love taps.
Oh yeah, there's gonna get some taps definitely here in the back.
Most people will be surprised when they actually see it unless they know that it was actually an accident.
No one will notice.
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know. How would they know?
They're literally from the exterior and the outside, it's gonna look exactly the same. But it's better, stronger, faster. Everything like the stuff that we should have did the first time. I was like, oh man, we'll have to do that. And hey, there we go. It's actually done now.
Yeah, we were kind of limited with, I mean, the cage is what it is, so we were kind of limited there, but I mean, in the grand scheme of things, I think we're right where we want to be.
Oh yeah, especially for slapping together in 2 weeks when you were gone for one of those weeks too.
Now it's up to you, buddy. I still think you're crazy.
Oh, there's gonna be a lot of sleepless nights.
Yeah, it'll be worth it though.
Okay, good. You should see that wiring mess though we have for the chassis harness and engine harness. It's all just laying in a round up ball on the floor of my garage.
Yeah, if it was easy, everybody would be doing it, Carl.
It gives me anxiety. Love it. But that's why I drink. Sometimes, not a lot, just a little bit.
Just a little bit.
But we're gonna end it off. You can tell I'm a little tired. It's late. Baby boy keeps me up all night. Mark, thanks again.
Appreciate your business. Thanks for tuning in.
Oh, always. Remember, Mark Pinsky, Nexxgen Fab. You guys look him up at Facebook. He's got Instagram now. He's got everything. Any kind of cage work, anything at all you'll need, you can see he does good work, and it's very strong. As you can see now, we got real life test results.
So there we go. We'll have Klaus rolling back down the road.
There we go. All right, guys. We'll see you next time.